A chihuahua just went on a high-speed chase down the interstate. So a video just went viral of this escaped chihuahua running down the interstate. You see, this chihuahua somehow managed to escape from its owners, and then it went on a chase down the interstate for what seemed like way too long for a chihuahua. And the chihuahua did all this while some cars were speeding past it. Now, very luckily, many other drivers noticed what was going on, so they threw on their hazards and drove slowly beside the chihuahua, and some people even stopped to try and help capture the chihuahua, but very sadly, that did not work out well for them, because this chihuahua was a runner and also a track star. I mean, this chihuahua ran way longer than I would have been able to. Now, luckily, after a very, very long chase, I mean way too long, this chihuahua should not have been able to run for that long. The chihuahua was safely apprehended, and I assume that it was reunited with its owner shortly after being apprehended, but I know if that was my chihuahua, I would be too